everybody, it's the Jessica Collectors, and today we're going to make this slime. So, let's get all the stuff we need. I hope this doesn't go wrong, unlike last time when it actually went wrong. I forgot to do like a video about showing it. It worked, but I'm not going to show y'all it because I hated it and I didn't even want to like use it at all because it would get those confetti stuff all over my hands and I had to get it off and it was hard to get it off of it. So I hope I'm going to do this right then. I almost forgot this. Alright, so what we have is we have the sodium stuff. We have the glue. We have the beads and the coloring. We have this. We have the clay, because it's going to be butter slime. We have the spoon, and we have this. So, I'll be back. Oh, this works, and I did not. Yeah, right ball. I'll leave that. One ball. I hope I do this right. Alright, we're going to pour that into there. I'm going to just guess now. I'm going to guess by now. Oh, what am I supposed to do? Alright. Using the okay. So, I'm probably to get this. Woo! And let's want to do this thing. Woo! Ah! So a big spoon. Alright. We're going to hurry up and mix this. Last time this went very wrong, so hoping this will not go wrong again. Alright. So, you need to do this. So I think that was close good. Don't want to get that. Okay, let me just do it. Alright. Solution. By now, I'm just guessing. Oh, it's working! Oh, it's working. Oh, it's actually working, guys. I just noticed my background is still on. I have to turn that off right real quick. Alright. Alright. Not going too much this part, but it is starting to actually work. I think I maybe put too much in there. Because it should be like a consistency of kind of like that. It's really hard. So, I'm not too sure about this. Right. Wait. Should I put this in before I just take this out? I don't know. Right. Put it in like that. I should probably be wearing gloves, but at this point I don't care. So, the better way than to do this is with your hands. I'll get a towel to clean all this up. After, I'll probably have to get a towel to clean my hands first, just to wash my hands. Okay, wait. I think I should just put that in there. I should have put that, wait, maybe I should have put that in there first. And then it would have got in there, and then it wouldn't have been. No, wait, I should have just put it. I'm so confused, guys. Right. Alright. We're just going to put the dye or whatever and in here. Alright. Yeah, this would probably be this would work better. Alright. Already starting to kind of work. So I just need a bit more. Put that in there like that. Put a little like that and that. Alright. It's starting to kind of go. Alright. There we go. Alright, I did it. Now, I'm going to put the slime, and I'm going to try to make it a butter slime as much as possible. Because it's not going so well. Okay. I'm just going to try to mix that into there. Alright. Oh no. I'm going to try to mix it a bit at like a time. Alright, it's going wrong, just like last time. I should just read the instructions, or just do this with an adult next time. But I got a little in, so maybe it wasn't a good idea to add the paint in, because it would have probably been better if I just didn't add the paint. Because this is the part without the paint, so I'm going to fill the paint. Alright, and I'm going to take a little bit of this. It would have mixed in better if it didn't have the paint in it. Or worse, I don't know. We're going to put this in the same capsule. These are Gone Wrong slimes. As you see, this is this slime. I hate it. Here's another Gone Wrong slime. And maybe one day we'll mix all the Gone Wrong slimes up. So, well, bye. I hope you enjoyed this video of me making slime and it just going wrong. I think I should just stick to reading the instructions. And I hope you enjoyed.